Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a one tool which will help us to create a unlimited files plus folder. And let me show you here. If I'm clicking on run here, I will be having one user form where it will be giving us some option that what type of a file that you want to create. For example, I want to create a MS Word file. How many files I want to create? For example, 20 files I want to create. In which folder that you want to save those 20 files? So for example, I would like to save here in this folder. Okay, just paste it, click on run. As soon as you will click on run, you will start seeing that the file is being generated. This beautiful progress bar is also running, and this is something which is for all of this option. This is what actually we are going to create. Let me give you the demo first. Okay, so for example, now it is 20, and after this we also will create the excel file as well. Okay, I want to create an Excel file as well. So it is still being created. Let's wait. Have a look. Okay. Now this is done. Let me show you. So here are the 20 files. You look. 20 files. Number of items is 20. Okay. For example, I want to create 20 Excel one. Just click on done. Now you look. Things are being created. Wait. Done. So now if you will come here, so here it will be over 40. You look, Excel will be also here, right? I'm deleting everything. Okay, this is for the PowerPoint, this is for the folder as well. Okay, this is what actually we are going to create. Now let's press Alt F11, Alt IU for the new user form. Now let's design it first. Okay, design it. Now I would like to give the name here as create file plus folder generator tool. Okay, next let's give the background color as something unique. For example, I'm giving this one. Okay, not this one, let's take some other color. Let's take the same. Okay, now let me give the one label here. Label I would like to draw like this. Okay. Now right here, create unlimited file plus folder. Okay, now let's increase the font size, bold, Times New Roman. Let's take it 16, and okay, let's look. Now it looks good. It looks good. Okay, now if I will show you, it looks like this. All right, no problem. Now let's take, I would like to give the border style as something like this. Okay, now so that it will make it more good. Okay, now increase the height of it. Now take one frame like this. Take one frame and rename it selection domain. Right here, selection domain. After that, design it, make it as bold. This one bold and 9 or okay. After that, take the option button for Excel. Okay, for Excel it will be Excel. Okay, and you can also increase the font, but let's increase, no problem. Font, here it is font. Let's take it 10. Okay, now copy it, paste for MS Word, for PowerPoint, for folder. Okay, now this is for MS Word. Right here, MS Word, space, and PowerPoint, and folder. Okay. After that, what I want you to do, take one label here like this and ask for path, save path. Okay, and make it this bold, Time New Roman 9 or okay. Just copy it and paste it for for number of files that we want to create. Right here, numbers of file. Okay. Now take text box like this. Okay. Adjust it somewhere like this. Okay. Mm, no problem. Now come and design. You have to make it bold as well, the path which we will enter, and 9 or okay. Just copy and paste it for the next, for the next text box for 4 to enter the number of files that we want to create. That's it. Next, let's take two buttons, command buttons for run. This is for run it. Okay, run it and design it. Bold, Times New Roman 11 and okay. And color, for example, back color I would like to give here as, the green, for example. Now for the next one, what you can do, and button, and button, and button for red. Okay. Now we have to design the progress bar as well. So progress bar, you have to remember one thing. So now back color I would like to give here as green, and here it is the 264. The width you have to remember 264. Now just copy and paste this label, and label you have to remember. Labels you have to remember. This is, you have to, in the sample, for example, I'm writing here how it will look like. Completed 100%. Okay, now we should, I think, increase the size. Let's take it 11 and okay. All right. Okay, now I think I should decrease the size of it and adjust it somewhere like this. Okay, now let me run it. How it is looking? It looks like good. Okay, now our form is ready. Now we have to write the code. Writing the code, let's quickly start. First, label 5 and label 7. These are the two labels, 5 and 7. In the end, first me dot hide. Okay, and next, for in the run button we have to write everything. So in user form to come in the run, you have to enable the two external library for the PowerPoint and the MS Word. Go in the tools, in the reference I already have enabled the PowerPoint and the Microsoft Word. These are the two libraries that you have to enable in order to generating the MS Word files plus the PowerPoint. Okay, now come here and start writing the code here. Dim WS as new Word application for PowerPoint, document as Word document for the PowerPoint, and PPT as PowerPoint application, present as PowerPoint presentation, dim SL as PowerPoint slide. Okay, and K as integer, J as integer. Okay, and what else? Let's check one more. P as an integer. Now let's dim. It should be dim. Okay, here you have to write if, and for we have to remember that label, right? What is the name of label? Label is 5 and 260. Width is 264. Label 5 and label 7, I think. Okay, now let's write the code here. Function VBA progress percentage as single, optional after completion as boolean. Okay, right here, dim total width as single, current width as single, label 5 and 7, right? So here you have to write total. What is the total width? Total width is 264, right? And current width you have to calculate. How? So total width divide by 100 multiply by whatever will be the progress percentage. Okay, and after that me dot label 5 dot width is equal to current width. Okay, me dot label 7 dot caption will be completed completed, format now, not now, progress percent 0, and this sign. Okay, that's it. This is what you have to do. And after that, this is the function you need to create. And after that, you start writing the code. If me dot option button 1 is true, then Excel file should generate. For generating the Excel file, you have to declare one more variable dim wkb as a workbook. And I want to stop the screen updating so that it will not show you what is going in the background. Okay, and true. And after that, how many times that workbook that you want to run. So for that, for k from 1 to me dot text box 2, in the text box 2, that we will enter the number of files that we are looking for, value, next k, right here, set wkb workbooks dot add. And after that, you have to save it where in the file name, not me dot text box 1, where the path which we will give, right? And after that, I want to save it in the workbook, and name I would like to give here workbook. Okay, workbook k dot xlx. Okay, application dot display alerts equal to false, wkb dot close, save it as true, application dot display alert equal to true. And after that, I would like to call the function VBA progress k divided by me dot text box 2 dot value multiply by 100. This is how that you need to call it out. Else, if not option 1, then in the next, what you have to do for the option 2 is the word file, right? For the word file, what you need to do, you need to do very, very simple thing. Set ws new word application, set doc, ws document dot add doc dot save as. File name, you know better, file name is me dot text box, me dot text box 2, not 2, 1 dot value. Okay, in which that I already given the path, right? Then word here, word document and number of files. For the making it to unique, write it k dot docx. This is the extension, right? And still we need to keep everything in the loop. So for k12, me dot text box 2 dot value. Okay, here paste it. After that, doc dot close 2. Okay, and after that, again, what you have to do, just copy the same and paste it here. Okay, next key. This is also we done for we done for the, I think, the word file. Next, for option 3, with where we have the PowerPoint. So for the PowerPoint 3, and start writing your loop. For k1 to me dot text box 2 dot value, write a set ppt as new PowerPoint application, set present as ppt dot presentation dot add, set sl dot press dot slides dot add blank page I want. And after that, press dot save, I would like to save it. File name is me dot text box 1 dot value, and here ppt, the name which I want to give, the ppt, okay, ppt and k, and after that dot pbix, right? Okay, pbix. I don't, this is the extension I am forgetting, but all right. Next, okay, after saving, we also need to close. Press dot close. Okay, that's it. After the last one, last one is your folder creation. We forget to paste it here, the progress bar. Okay, and after that, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, for 4k1 to me dot text box 2 dot value mkdir, and file name is your me dot text box 1 dot value. Okay, And after that, what you have to do, me.textbox.value and folder name, folder right here as folder, folder, that's it, and k. And after that, just copy and paste it and close the loop. Next k. Now we did everything. And if 1, 2, 3, and 4, now we are ready with our code. Now it's time to test it. Okay, I'm saving it. Alt F11. I'm adding one more module here. Option explicit sub procedure question number 2. Now I'm writing here call user form 2 dot show false. Okay, that's it. User form false. All right. Now save it and right click assign macro. Now instead of question number 1, let's question number 2. Now save it and click here. Now we don't have anything in this folder. I just copied the path of this folder and clicking on this and pasting the path. 10 files I'm looking for. I want Excel file first. Click on run. Now let's see. The one thing which we have not given, the message box. I think message box is the one of the most important thing I think we should do. We should give here in the last. Okay, message box done. If we will look at the file is now created 10 workbook, right? Now come here. Now let's create the MS Word. Paste the path, 10 files I want. Click on run. You look. It is about to done. Now it's done. Right? Now same I want for the PowerPoint. Click on run. Now you look. File is now being created. It is done. Right? 10 folders I want to create. Click on run. Done. So 10, 10, which means 40 files I think we should have. 40. You know, instead of PowerPoint, now it is Power BI now created. I think we just need to change this, we just need to change the extension of it. Okay, and document an Excel file. Okay, one more Power BI that you can also enter. But yes, for example, instead of PowerPoint, let's make it, you know let's make it as Power BI. No problem. Okay, PowerPoint, just you need to change the extension, that's it. Okay, now you look very easily that you can create unlimited files, as many as you're looking for. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.